Hello friends, welcome to a new blog. Today we'll see how to refresh a Power BI dataset from ADF. Now first you have to go to your azure.portal.com, then search for AD groups, then click on the groups, then create a group for create a new group. There you can add the group name, then add the member of your ADF identity member, then follow the process. Pause the video where I have the screenshot of the steps. There follow the process to be done in Power BI side. Then after that you can go to see these steps you have to follow in Power BI. Then in ADF you have to create a web task, then add these things. Basically you need the group ID and dataset ID from Power BI.